Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I highlight my extensions. And highlighting extensions that match your hair is just a fun way that you can add some color to your hair without damaging it. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep on watching.
I'll be using my Amazing Beauty hair extensions, and this set is in the 20-inch Jerry curls, and I have a review of this hair on my channel, so if you want any more information about it, just check the description box below. When coloring the hair, I wanted to go for a balayage look. Unfortunately, this didn't go as planned because I ended up running out of hair dye, so make sure that you have enough. So since I started at the ends and made my way up, I just made sure to kind of do like a gradient effect so that there wouldn't be a harsh line.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this to be helpful. And if you want any more information about Amazing Beauty hair extensions and if you want a coupon, just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!